Why does your scanner show the P2140 engine code? What does it mean? P2140 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle or pedal position, sensor or switch E or F voltage correlation. The P2140 engine code for indicate your car's computer, PCM, is receiving conflicting information from your gas pedal and throttle sensors, usually triggering a limp mode, where the car limits your speed to around 20 miles per hour. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty APP sensor, damaged or corroded wiring, failed electronic throttle body, bad electrical connectors, PCM or ECM malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet, Nissan, Toyota, Ford, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.